So you might be in a position where for some reason transparency mode is just not working on your AirPods. Now, keep in mind, not every single AirPods support this feature. So if you have an AirPods 3s or AirPods 2s or AirPods 1s, transparency mode is just not going to work for you because it doesn't really have those features. But if you have something like the AirPods Pros that I have right here, well then these ones could possibly give you those, and this one could basically give you those features. So the very first thing you're going to want to do first is make sure that your AirPods again support transparency mode, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your AirPods just like this. So what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone just like this. You can swipe down from the top right and you should be able to get into your sound panel right here. Now, if you do have AirPods that are already connected, by holding down right here, you should be able to see three little options down right here, and one of them should be transparency. So just like with this specific pop-up that comes up right here, you should see some things that say noise reduction. You should see other things that say like spatialized audio or spatialized stereo. So you do have a couple of options of either enabling transparency mode or disabling transparency mode. And as long as you can go ahead and see these options at the very bottom, that's all you're going to have to do is to go and tap on that transparency mode as you swipe down from here, click here, and that should be available. Now, if that doesn't work, you may want to also try going through and updating your phone. So click inside of your settings application of your iPhone. You want to scroll over until you see General, which is right here. And then what you want to do is you want to tap on Software Update just like that, and you're basically going to want to update your phone. So that's another option that you have if for some reason it's not working. You can also try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, slide to power off, and that may end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.